Ever noticed airplane wings tilt slightly upward? That angle is called dihedral, and it helps keep the airplane stable. Think of it like this. If the plane tilts to one side, dihedral helps it level itself again. Because the wings are angled up, that sideways airflow makes the lower wing produce a bit more lift than the higher wing. That difference helps roll the airplane back toward level. That's why many training aircraft use dihedral. It adds natural stability and reduces corrections. Without dihedral, the plane would feel less stable and require more constant control. Save this for your next flight and follow for simple aviation lessons.